In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Stripe. Begin by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and find the Billing section. Expand that menu to see the available billing options. From there, click on Invoices to open the full list of invoices connected to your account. When the Invoices page loads, locate the specific invoice you want to cancel. Click on that invoice to open its details page. On this screen, take a moment to review the invoice information carefully. Check the customer name, the invoice amount, and the current status. This helps confirm that you are updating the correct invoice before making any changes. After you have confirmed the details, look for the More Actions menu. This is usually shown as a three-dot icon somewhere near the top of the invoice page. Click on that menu to open the list of available actions for the invoice. From the menu, choose the option that matches what you need. If you want to completely cancel the invoice so it is no longer payable, select Void Invoice. If you want to keep the invoice on record but mark it as unlikely to be paid, select Mark as Uncollectible. Stripe uses these two options for different billing situations, so make sure you choose the one that fits your intended outcome. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to proceed. After that, wait a moment while Stripe processes the update. This usually happens quickly. When the process is complete, stay on the invoice page and verify that the status has changed. You should now see the invoice marked as voided or uncollectible, depending on the option you selected. This final check is important because it confirms that the invoice was updated successfully in your Stripe account. If the status has changed as expected, then the cancellation or status update is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.